Ha ha ha! I'm the burglar! Wow! Superman duty! I'll save you, citizen! Grab on! Woo! Okay, citizen, go behind the wall. Okay. Missed it again. Alright, so the citizen said the burglar left his bomb. And we need to find it. Come on, let's go.
Now?
Yes. Help! 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 Sidekick! Perfect. Let's get him! Come on!
And pretend he runs away and climbs up the wall.
Take him away!
Ha-ha!
That's it for this episode. See you next time.
And scene.